These are the Nike React. Now I got these because they're like clouds in a sense, like you know how because I got some Hokas too. I have some Hokas, but my Hokas I should have got, I don't know if I should have got like a bigger size in them, or I don't know. I got an exact 11 and at first they were very good, but right now they're not. So I don't wear them because quite honestly my feet leans to the side in them, and then that hurts my foot. So they didn't mold it so much to my foot that they lean to the side now. So I needed something that had some type of stability and, you know, comfort on my foot, because I do have that plantar stuff on my right foot, on my right heel, and it's definitely something. It's very painful. You're going to hear me roar, hear me. It's a thumbnail. I would not wear anything like this because, you know, it's like the legs rubbing against each other. So to wear something like this working out, I am taking steps, okay y'all? We are making steps. This shirt is from Target. I forgot to tell y'all that, but it's from before when they did that bull. Okay, y'all. So I just wanted to come on here and show y'all what I take every day, every morning. Well, it's really the afternoon and we're late on taking our vitamins and drinking our drinks before we eat anything. So I go in with this L-glutamine. The reason I started taking this, and I got this from one of my health food stores, the reason I started taking this is because it helps with acne. And then I'm going to go in with this milk thistle. I just started taking this, so I don't know. Well, I've been taking it for a little minute, but I don't know if it's working, but I'm going to finish out the bottle. Hey y'all, happy Friday. How are you all doing today? So, I washed my hair last night and it's clean because yesterday, as y'all seen, I was sweating so bad. The bugs were like attacking us. So I said, you know what, today this is washed hair and I'm about to twist it up tonight. But I just don't have the energy to be having stuff flying in my head. I just don't. So this is what we're about to do today. Our head is covered. Okay, y'all. So today we are doing an all black fit for the workout. I just washed my clothes. Shout out to me because, yeah. Outfit of the day. Bra, Fabletics. Pants is Fabletics too. And shoes are the Nike React. First and foremost, I just want to say, I know y'all peeped the name change. Y'all, we are no longer the Natural Guru. I had to retire because, baby, I am a new person. I have been going through a revelation this entire year, and that also incorporated me changing my name on all my social media platforms. So if you don't know, my name is GIRLAA, without a Y. And that's what I'm going to be going by as for now. Well, from the foreseeable future, okay? Because right now that's what I'm feeling. I want to be called who I am and what I was named, and that is GIRLAA. So I wanted to give y'all a peek into our wedding prep. If you don't know, your girl got engaged last August. I don't think I made like a big thing about it on here, but I did get engaged in August of 2024. So a year has already passed, and next year we are getting married. Ain't that crazy? So that was just a sneak peek of our bridesmaids boxes. I didn't show you Dorian's groomsmen's boxes, but his was really nice too. So we got those done at the beginning of September when we dropped our our engagement photos finally a year after. But you know what I do believe is that everything is meant to happen in the time that it's meant to happen for you. And with this new name change, I'm really focusing on and also taking in that my path is my path, if you get what I'm saying. Just like yours is yours. So I'm just happy to have this growth during this time, especially with what's going on in this world, and just give a little bit of encouragement to you all amongst all of this BS that is going on that did not need to occur. Just know that you are still human, you are still worthy, and you still have greatness in your future and in you now, okay? So just understand and know that. Tell yourself that every day. Look in the mirror and tell yourself that you are worthy, okay? So let's get off that. Let's get into this meal prep. We have been meal prepping for a month now, and it has been a game changer for our weight loss, for our health, for our digestive system. Still working on mine because I keep eating hot stuff, and I know it does not agree with me anymore. But I'm working on it. Okay, I cut out the dairy. Now the hot stuff, I'm trying not to give it up, but I'm going to have to give it up, and I already feel it in my spirit. But yeah, we've been meal prepping for 4 weeks now, and like if we want something like new, like for dinner, like I'll meal prep lunch and breakfast, and then we'll figure out what we want for dinner, and then I'll go get it, and then I'll just make that for the week. We had chili last week. This week we're having beef. I'm gonna say beef enchiladas, beef quesadillas, and salad, which has been bomb as hell. Okay. But yeah, your girl fell off on her walking. So now we're back to walking 3 to 4 times out the week, at least 2 miles. And we're going to work ourselves back up to 4 miles, especially during these colder season. Definitely excited for that. I got so much to show y'all that I have got. Like, I got a lot of good stuff. I'm able to fit in new clothes now, which has made me so excited, y'all. Now, one thing I can say, the scale ain't moved like I wanted to, but I have been losing inches, and I'm able to fit into Fashion Nova jeans now. And not just the stretchy ones, but the non-stretchy ones, okay? Come on, the one with limited stretch, baby, because your girl has had thick thighs all her life, and y'all know this. But other than that, I am about to start posting vlogs. Y'all already know I love me a good vlog and some hair videos still, because I still love my natural hair and I love to show y'all that. But I do hope y'all enjoy this name change. I hope y'all enjoy the content. The content is still the same. Vlogs, hair videos, and all that good stuff mixed in. Let me know what other things y'all want to see down below. Or just put a smiley face, or put a heart. Leave me something. Shit, I don't know. But I hope y'all are excited for the videos to come. And if you haven't got on your journey, get on your journey when it's your time. But I'm just showing y'all what I've been doing to keep 50 pounds off. Again, I have so much to update y'all on, and y'all will be getting updated on that in the next few months, okay? Okay, wink a wink, especially on this wedding, baby. Look, when I have something to update y'all on, I'll let you know, baby. Because, baby, we just trying to get these payments out. These payments, okay? Shout out to our parents, okay? Shout out to them. Good God Almighty. And shout out to God. Because if it wasn't for God, we wouldn't have anything we have right now. We wouldn't even be able to get married, okay? So, I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. And I just wanted to post stuff from what I've already had in this SIM card, so I can go ahead and delete it and make room for something new. I may even buy a new SIM card, because good God. Why do I still have stuff on here from 2023 when my hair was red? My hair is no longer red, and I'm not posting it on here. So goodbye. Goodbye. Love y'all. Bye.